Hello friends, today we showing how to fix table, box or any text. Doing left, right like this. If you want it center, so select it. First select it and second select center option. Now is a fixed. If you want this roll option to fix in center or left right. If you want to left, click the left. If you want to right, click the right. Or if you want to center, you use the center. Okay, if you have a if you want all text everything in center line, so you select everything you have to select and select center option. Automatically all is going to center.